My name is Ben Ivory. This is the law office of Kelly, Kelly & Kelly. It was started in 1946 by my grandfather. We think that these external drives to store data will be extremely important for our company and other companies that are involved in giving legal services to people, because data security is very important now, and cloud services are they don't seem to be very safe. Clients really do not want their information to be flying around on the internet, so we really think that this might be something where the future will lie, especially for legal information, people's data, that it be stored on an external disk like this in a secure location, rather than on the cloud or in another, using another system that might not be as secure. So we're interested in to continue to talk with Kevin and zettastor to see what kind of solution they can provide our firm, because we think that this is probably going to be the best way we can secure our clients' data and to also comply with all of the legal regulations that are involved with keeping our own clients' information safe, because we also have to comply with the government regulations on how we protect our client information. That is, a very big issue, and we can get into huge trouble and have, an amazing amount. We have an amazing amount of liability. So, people can blame us for mishandling their data, and this seems to be like a very good solution. After about a week-long testing period, we've decided that zettastor probably is a very efficient system for us to use. We think that it's efficient. We think that it's safer than a lot of the other solutions that we've looked at. So yeah, we're very interested in taking a look at implementing this, how we implement this in our firm, and also recommending it to other firms that we're familiar with. So I think it's been a successful week and a successful test case. So we're excited to continue working together.
Is to then develop what I call a go-to-market strategy based on alliances. So in that sense, with Veeam would have what we call a technology alliance partner. The software coupled with the hardware is a solution for people today to do what they need to do. And then once you have that, then we could look at making you an alliance partner, and then basically what happens then is, because somebody will always shop by price, always. Veeam is pretty good price. Looks like yours is pretty good price too.
Yes.
But what happens is, when we have this alliance, then we have our partners. So when I say partner, let me explain what I mean by that. Partner means a lot of things to a lot of people. So if zettastor and Veeam made an alliance, then we tell reseller partners about the solution. So, let's say, for example, you guys are in Evanston. So, Evanston Computer Sales Inc., a small company, they sell hardware, software, services, all kinds of technology stuff. They now know that you have a good cost-benefit situation with Veeam and zettastor, and they have what they need to sell it. That is the magic to the business strategy. So, Julian sounds like a good sense of business, but he can't sell it all. The magic is to get the people that know the customers aware of your solution, and then they will sell it for you.
Yeah.
This is an interesting technique. Basically, in the LAN backup scenario, The tape driver and libraries only need to be carried out by the local server backup, and to back up all the data transmitted through the network to the backup server, and then backup to tape, driver, and our libraries via the backup server. So with the increasing amount of data on the host, the backup data transfer over the network is bound to cause a lot of pressure on the network, and it's going to affect the normal transmission of the business application on the network. So by adjusting the backup window, the part of the problem can be solved, but with the increasing number of backup hosts, adjusting the backup window often overlap, resulting in the data backup and normal business application process overlap. So backup data network bandwidth will seriously affect the response time of business application systems. So in this case, you can use a line-free backup, SAN-based storage architecture, which is, I think, is an emerging hot technique.